Good morning, loves.
Good morning, Sue.
Happy anniversary.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
Yeah, it's okay. Bangon ka na. Are you okay?
Sorry, Bray. Nakalimutan ko ang anniversary natin. Kahit na sinabi mong okay lang, alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi okay.
It's okay.
I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt and it really yesterday. Then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time around I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within.
Hindi ka ba? Oh! Guys, una na kami. Patong.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered.
Naniniwala ka ba sa reincarnation?
Bakit?
Kung totoo man ang reincarnation, sana ma-reincarnate ka upang mahalin ka ulit ng paulit-ulit.
I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh so far.
Hey bro, how are you? Si Bray. Si Bray, asan?
Pagaling ka muna.
Tama, magpagaling ka muna. Give, pwede ba?
Brian, wala na.
Into my dream, you'll come and touch me once again. I just take my heart
No, hindi maaari. Asan siya? Pupuntahan ko siya.
I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight.
Bray!
To my dream,
Pakita ka naman sa akin oh.
touch me once again.
Pakita ka naman oh.
I'll just
Maawa ka naman sa akin oh. Okay na ako. Sabihin mo namang nagsisinungaling lang sila. Sige na oh.
Sabi mo di mo ko iiwan. Sabi mo dito ka lang. Sabi mo di ba?